Hello YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. Winters are coming, so today, I have a special treat for you. I'm going to share my mother's secret recipe for a miracle cream that will keep your skin moisturized all day long. If you are in the coldest or driest state or country, this cream will work wonders for you. This cream is made with just 4 simple ingredients: olive oil, vitamin E capsules, rose water, and any body cream. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of rose water. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. For vitamin E capsules, 1 bottle of regular body cream, 50 milliliters. You can use any cream that suits your skin type. I am using baby lotion as it is the mildest cream, so it won't have any skin reactions or allergies. First, take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is fantastic for moisturizing and nourishing the skin. Next, take for vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E is known for its antioxidant properties and helps in skin repair. Puncture the capsules and squeeze the oil into the bowl. Finally, add 1 bottle of regular cream, or how much you need for the week. Body cream acts as a barrier, locking in moisture and keeping your skin hydrated throughout the day. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. And there you have it. Your very own homemade miracle cream. Apply a small amount to your face and body, and you'll notice how soft and hydrated your skin feels. This cream is perfect for daily use and works wonders, especially during the dry winter months. Plus, it's all natural and free from any harsh chemicals. I hope you enjoyed this DIY skincare recipe. If you try it out, let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and DIY recipes.